everyone, welcome to the channel. I hope you feel fine today, and I want to present the SDOG project. And let's start with that. On the right side we can see the holder map, token, ecological and mine now, and of course the information about the decentralized ecosystem promoted by SDOG through consensus. The development of blockchain is related to the establishment of consensus. Elon Musk is committed to exploring the role of consensus through the SDOG project and making his own distribution to the development of blockchain. Let them take part in a formula experiment that can be listed in the annals of history. Of course, you can get SDOG or get space D. So let's move on to the holder maps, which means that is a brand new concept proposed by SDOG. Promote the development of the SDOG ecosystem based on the project consensus. Number of coin holding addresses. Whenever the SDOG consensus number of coin holding addresses reaches the next goal, SDOG will start the corresponding project. And here we have the amount of holders. For example, 1000 holders get each SDOG commemorative coin has an independent number. There will be two types of commemorative coin. They are 1 SDOG and 100 SDOG. Of course, the amount of holders can be various, for example 3000 or 6000 or more. So let's move on to the Treasury and DAO. And this is mainly the governance of the SDOG Treasury and holder maps development proposals by the SDOG administrator. The SDOG project will deposit tokens to be distributed and income. SDOG to be distributed income from the sale of NFT rockets and trusters. Income from fund management, income from supporting other projects, and of course more, into the National Treasury. The expenditures of the National Treasury and determined by the vote of the SDOG governor. And here we have value of the Treasury and sources of Treasury revenue. And there is cooperative ecology, profit dividend, partner token growth, our own agreement growth and project, and treasury flow, which means that is holder maps, airdrop and donation, partner token swap, SDOG ecological support. And the SDOG treasury is related in DAO governance, contributions, executions and proposal and voting, of course ecosystem growth. So let's move on to the token distribution, and you can as I told, get SDOG or get space D. And here we have ecological introduction. Users with SDOG models can also use SDOG to purchase space D and then purchase NFT mining machines through space D. The user can also obtain the governance right of the holder map when they mining. SDOG will be needed as the basic support to run all the holder maps landing project to add SDOG usage scenarios and value once it goes online. And here we have SDOG by space D, by NFT mining machine, and trusters obtain governance rights and mine, and holder maps DAO participate in governance. Already listen on exchange. Here we have some already listen on exchange, and SDOG become an universal currency in space. This is really nice, and there is social media on which you can join them. So come back to the home page and choose the mine now. So let's go to know what it is, and here you can choose your language, of course, and unlock your wallet. Of course, install MetaMask and choose NFT, mine, my NFT or space D. It's really nice and interesting. Of course, little lower we have some sites when you can join them. So thank you so much for watching this video. I think this project is really nice. Of course, let me know what do you think about this project in comments, and leave a like, subscribe, and thank you so much. Bye.